Hey everyone, welcome to This Dude Bakes. In this episode, Heath chocolate chip blondies. Okay, first thing you want to do is set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Then take a 13x9 pan and butter it lightly. Then take your brown sugar and your softened butter and beat them on medium speed until they're light and fluffy. Next up, you want to add your eggs and your vanilla. Just beat that on medium speed until it's well blended. Scrape it down in the middle. Now that that's well blended, I'm going to add the flour, salt, and the baking powder. And then just start it on slow speed to incorporate it, and then mix it for 2 minutes on medium speed. Now you want to add your chocolate chips and your cut up pieces of Heath Toffee Bar, and just put that on low, just incorporate them. And that's it. And now that you've got it all together, take your batter and put it in your prepared pan. Spread it out evenly. Now you want to bake it in your preheated oven for about 23 to 28 minutes, or until it's light golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean when you stick it in the middle. So you want to do the toothpick test. Make sure it comes out clean like that, and you're good to go. So there you have it, folks, the chocolate chip Heath Bar blondies. That's what they should look like. And what I like to do as soon as they come out of the oven is make the cuts as soon as they come out. You should get 32 pieces out of this. And then when they cool, put some powdered sugar over the top of them, sprinkle it over the top, and be good to go. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you soon with more videos. Have a good day.